Okay, so in this video we'll just learn about the pseudo class. What is a pseudo class? Basically, pseudo class is a thing which can be used on any element in HTML. Okay, so if we use h1 tag here, so let's do a code and understand the pseudo class. Okay, so this is this is a h1 tag. Okay, so let's give it some CSS property h1. Okay, so basically we just have to give first property to the body. Let's give it to the body, text align center. Okay, now what we'll do is we can give it font family is this. After that we can give a font size here, okay, which is basically 20 pixels. After that we can give a color to it as aqua, I guess. Okay, so it's done, I guess. So let's see how is it showing. Okay, let's do this thing in background. Okay, sorry, we have to run this thing. Okay, so h1 tag is here. Okay, so basically we can use justify content here in the center. Still it's not happening, so what we can do is can just okay, just let's see what is pseudo class. Okay, h1 this thing, after h1 colon hover. Okay, hover and this thing. Okay, so let's give it a property. So what we can do, we can change its color on hover. So color to black. Yeah, black. Okay, after that we can change the font size also. Font size 40 pixels. Okay, after that we can do one thing, transitions is basically a property of time dependency, right? So what we can do is we can just, it can have here two properties, two values. What are the two values? We can include the color. Okay, after that we can use the time function. It's 5 seconds. Okay, so if we save this and we can hover on this, so basically it's not happening because we didn't add the CSS file here. Okay, so link CSS and h1 hover css.css. Okay, so let's see what's happening. Yeah, you can see this is this and it's big. Okay, so when it's not hovering, when I'm hovering on it, it's showing this thing. So it's changing its color. Okay, changing its color and size also. So I can do one thing, we can just put this transition here. Okay, let's see what's happened. Okay, So this and this. Okay, this and this. Okay, so font size also you can do. Font size transition, font size, or font, yeah, font size, sorry, yeah, it should be here, SIZD. Okay, font size, okay, it's also 0.5 seconds. Let's do, okay, this thing, this thing, this thing, and this thing. Okay, so it's happening, right? After that, we can do one thing. We can give it a text shadow also on hovering. Text shadow, which is basically 1 pixels. It should not happen. 1 pixels and 1 pixels, 1 pixels. After that, we're giving the shadow 2 pixels. After that, we're giving the shadow, it's pink. Okay, so let's see what's happening. Yeah, we can see it's showing that's pink text shadow here, and it's doing it finally. So let's full screen. Okay, you can see. Good. Okay, so we're finishing this video here, and let's see in the next video.